1899 Akron Police Patrol Wagon. 1909 Ford Model T Police Car. 1915 Ford Model T Police Wagon. 1923 Ford Model T Patrol Sedan. 1928 Ford Model A Police Car. 1932 Ford Flathead V8 Police Car. 1934 Ford V8 Police Sedan. 1936 Chevrolet Master Police. 1939 Ford Deluxe Police. 1946 Ford Super Deluxe Police. 1949 Ford Custom Police. 1950 Chevrolet Fleetline Police. 1952 Ford Mainline Police. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Police. 1957 Plymouth Fury Police. 1959 Dodge Coronet Police. 1960 Chevrolet Biscayne Police. 1962 Ford Galaxy Police. 1965 Chevrolet Impala Police. 1966 Dodge Polara Police. 1967 Plymouth Fury Police. 1969 AMC Ambassador Police. 1970 Plymouth Fury I Police. 1971 Dodge Monaco Police. 1973 Chevrolet Bel Air Police. 1974 Chevrolet Impala Police. 1976 Ford Limited Police. 1978 Dodge Diplomat Police. 1981 Ford Fairmont Police. 1983 Chevrolet Caprice Police. 1985 Dodge Diplomat Police. 1988 Chevrolet Caprice 9C1. 1991 Chevrolet Caprice 9C1. 1998 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. 2001 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, facelift. 2006 Dodge Charger Police. 2008 Chevrolet Impala Police. 2011 Ford Police Interceptor Sedan. 2013 Ford Police Interceptor Utility. 2014 Chevrolet Caprice PPV. 2015 Dodge Charger Pursuit. 2020 Ford Police Interceptor Utility Hybrid. 2021 Dodge Durango Pursuit. 2022 Ford Police Interceptor Utility Update. 2023 Dodge Charger Pursuit V8 Final Generation. 2024 Ford Police Interceptor Utility 2024 Spec. 2028 Volkswagen Police Interceptor EV. 2030 BMW Police Pursuit Performance. 2035 Hyper Police Interceptor.